Sige po natin, pwede na po tayo mag-take over for us for this moment.
Viking. Take a chip, take a chip, take a chip, take a chip now. Take it, take it, take it, take it. We are the sound of 100,000 people. We are the vibration that you feel when the music goes. We are the modern style and we come the dirty of the clothes. Shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it now. You baby.
And you can visit po ang aming page. Hindi naman yung surprise, today's package, and my special account, DJ Ilhan. Yeah! Da! Pa! Pa! Oh! Pa! Pa! Oh! Sabi na siniti, oh. Wala pa kayo mga kamay dyan!
Baby girl, just move if you want, shake if you want. Again and again and again.
Balaban, balaban.
If you want, if you want. Kapag lahat ng nakatingin, show you why you're so fun. You got it from your mama, ass like
Yung
coke.
po yung lang sa ito yung baka.
Alam ko naman, malabang ka talaga. Hindi ko titigilan yan. Magabal na si ate, sobrang swabe.
Balaban si Ati. Oh, lower. Gusto ha? Yeah! Once again, the one and only Sexy Girl. Sa programa DSBT Homegrown Philippines Power. Deliver it right. Thank you so much once again, live here in Barangay Tamaraw, Sitio Tamaraw, Barangay Poblacion 3, Municipality of Victoria Oriental, Mindanao. God bless you, more power.